Mechanical engineering is not just about machines. It is about designing the systems that power the world. From cars and aircraft to robotics, power plants, and even medical devices, everything begins as an idea. And today, that idea takes shape in the 3D designing world. If you want to understand what mechanical engineering truly is, and how mechanical engineers create real-world solutions using 3D tools like Solidworks, then this video is for you. Mechanical engineering is one of the core branches of engineering. It focuses on design, analysis, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems. It uses principles of physics, mathematics, and material science. Mechanical engineers solve real-world problems involving motion, energy, and force. In simple words, if something moves, rotates, transfers heat, produces power, or performs mechanical work, a mechanical engineer is behind it. Let's break it into major areas. Thermodynamics, the study of heat and energy transfer, used in engines, power plants, refrigeration, HVAC systems. Mechanics, study of forces and motion, includes statics, dynamics, and strength of materials. Helps design safe and strong components. Fluid dynamics, study of how liquids and gases move, used in pumps, turbines, aerodynamics, and piping systems. Material science, understanding material properties like strength, hardness, ductility, thermal resistance. Choosing the right material is critical in design. Manufacturing processes includes machining, casting, welding, sheet metal, and 3D printing. Design must always consider manufacturability. Today, every product starts as a 3D model before it becomes a real component. Mechanical engineers use software like SolidWorks, Creo, AutoCAD, and CADTECHEDU. They create 3D parts, build assemblies, generate 2D drawings, perform simulations, check motion, and prepare files for CNC or 3D printing. 3D designing reduces errors, cost, material waste, and production time. Before manufacturing even begins, engineers can test strength, check fitment, analyze motion, simulate real working conditions. This is the power of modern mechanical design. Mechanical engineers work in automobiles, aircraft and aerospace, robotics and automation, power plants, HVAC systems, medical devices, and industrial machinery. Every industry requires mechanical design engineers. Without 3D designing, modern manufacturing is almost impossible. Today's industry demands skilled CAD engineers, design validation knowledge, GD&T understanding, and manufacturing awareness. A mechanical degree alone is not enough. You must know practical 3D designing. Students who master design software gain better job opportunities, higher salary potential, industry relevance, freelancing possibilities. Design is where engineering meets creativity. Mechanical engineering is about solving real-world problems using motion, force, and energy. And in today's world, everything starts with 3D design. To become a strong mechanical engineer, you must understand engineering fundamentals, materials, manufacturing, modern CAD tools. That is the future of engineering. We sincerely request all of you to visit our website, SGCADTECHEDU.com. Fill out the contact form and complete your registration. This will help us understand your challenges better and connect with you more effectively. You can also send your drawings and important documents in PDF format. Our team will review them before live sessions for accurate guidance. Coming soon, ebook with practice topics, SolidWorks tutorial series, live doubt clearing sessions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share with friends, subscribe to our channel SGCADTECHEDU, and hit the bell icon to never miss updates. Backhand index pointing right, join us today and build a strong career in the world of engineering. Flex biceps.